Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study till late night without feeling sleepy. First, prepare your study environment carefully. Select a quiet, well-lit area, free from potential distractions like a television or social media notifications. Make sure your desk is organized and comfortable, with all your books and notes within easy reach. A cool room temperature, around 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, can also help maintain alertness. To boost your energy levels, incorporate short, active breaks every 45 to 60 minutes. Stand up, stretch, or walk around for 5 to 10 minutes. Staying well hydrated is crucial. Drink at least 8 glasses of water over several hours. Opt for light, protein-rich snacks instead of sugary treats or heavy meals, which can lead to a sudden energy slump. To maintain sharp focus, try the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused study followed by a 5-minute break. Alternate between different subjects every 1 to 2 hours to keep your mind engaged and prevent boredom. Active learning, such as summarizing key points aloud or quizzing yourself, significantly improves retention and alertness. Some find instrumental music at a low volume helpful for concentration. Finally, wind down effectively to ensure quality sleep after your late-night study. Set a clear stopping time and stick to it. Avoid caffeine for at least 6 hours before bed and put away electronic screens 1 hour prior. Instead, read a physical book or listen to calming music. Prepare your bedroom to be dark, quiet, and cool, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal rest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.